10 facts about protein you probably did not know. And protein is not only about building muscle mass, it's way more interesting than that. So grab your eggs, tofu, meat, or whatever protein source you prefer, and let's dive into it. Fact number 1, protein is in almost everything. Well, many people, when they think about protein, they immediately picture something like a steak or, I don't know, a protein shake. But guess what? Protein is that guy who shows up at every party, even though he wasn't invited. Except those obvious foods like fish or meat, it's also in plants, grains, and even some vegetables. Even in stuff like spinach and broccoli. So next time you're munching on your veggies, just remember you're not only getting your greens, you're also getting your gains. Well, depends. Fact number 2, you eat all the time protein without even realizing it. Speaking of sneaky protein, that bowl of oatmeal in the morning, protein, that slice of bread, protein, and probably even your favorite pleasure snack has some protein in it. So technically, every time you snack, you're getting your protein. Okay, don't quote me on that one, but you get the idea. Fact number 3, your hair is basically protein. As you can see, I don't have that much protein on my head. But isn't that crazy, right? Your luscious mane is primarily composed out of a protein called keratin. I'm sure you heard about that already. So every time you're having a bad hair day, you can just blame your protein for not showing up to work. And if you eat protein, you're basically doing a service to your future hairstyle. Who needs shampoo if you just can eat chicken breast? By the way, you cannot eat your hair, or generally hair, because your body cannot digest it. And if you do, it can get really dangerous. Fact number 4, there are 20 different amino acids and only 9 of them are essential. Alright, at that point we have to get a little sciencey for a second. Protein generally is built out of these so-called amino acids. You can imagine them kind of like building blocks. There are 20 of these little guys, but only 9 of them are essential for us. But what does essential mean? The thing is, our body is also producing these building blocks or amino acids, completely by itself. But with these 9, your body is like, don't want to do them. So you have to get them yourself, from your food. Good news is foods like eggs, quinoa, meat or soy have them all. It's crazy, these building blocks can make up super complex proteins and at the same time those who can kill you instantly. Fact number 5, protein can help you stay full longer. Did you ever wonder why a high protein meal makes you feel like you just had a 3-course dinner? Well, protein is a superstar when it comes to keeping you full. It slows down your digestion and makes you feel satisfied longer. Which is why the protein shake after your workout is like a little hug for your stomach. So if you want to avoid your snack attacks, make sure to have your protein covered. Fact number 6, not all protein is created equally. That has a little bit of a connection to fact number 4. Now, just that something is packed with protein doesn't mean that it's all the same. As I said, there are some sources or complete proteins which have all essential amino acids. But that on the other hand means that we also have incomplete proteins, coming from, for example, plant-based sources. Protein which needs a little bit of help. That's why it's super important to have a variety of different foods. Not only in regards to protein, but in regards to your health generally. I mean, with a rich diet, you of course also get different minerals, vitamins, fatty acids, etc. Fact number 7, protein can help you boost your metabolism. As I said, it's digested slower, and that's because it takes more energy to digest, compared to fats and carbs. It's like your body's tiny personal trainer making sure you're burning those calories. So next time you're eating your quinoa bowl or grilled chicken, imagine your metabolism doing squats. Fact number 8, you are probably getting more protein than you think. Everyone's always worried about getting enough protein. But truth is, most people get already more than enough. In fact, unless you're an elite athlete training for the next ultra marathon, you probably do not need that 4th protein shake of the day. Of course, depending on your fitness goal or if you want to build up muscle mass, it's super important to get that extra protein covered. But health-wise, your body usually has it covered. Fact number 9, speaking of getting enough protein, protein deficiency is quite rare in developed countries. Unless you have an eating disorder or a super restrictive diet, the chances of having a protein deficiency are low. So there is no need to stress about it, just focus on balanced meals. And the last fact for today, protein is essential for more than just your muscles. Protein is basically your body's MVP. It helps build and repair tissues, produces hormones and enzymes, supports your immune system, transports nutrients all over your body, and much more. So whether you're hitting the gym or hitting the couch, protein is working behind the scenes to keep you going. Now you can impress your friends with your new protein knowledge or not feel so guilty or bad about your next snack, knowing that it actually might give you some serious benefits. If you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks a lot for watching, take care, and see you next time.